Hi everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I should welcome myself back because it's been a while. But anyway, here is my summer FabFitFun box. My battery says it's gonna die. Go figure, because I haven't used it in a while. Both of my cats here joining me. But let's just get into it. This box, interesting thing with this box is mine was delayed. My box was supposed to come at end of May. It's now beginning, or we're well into June, almost mid-June at this point. And it never showed up. Thankfully FabFitFun was great. I contacted them and it was over the 14 days that they want you to wait. Said, hey, it didn't come, so we'll see if my selections are in here. But anyway, this box, it's just blue. It's nothing crazy, but I did 3 ways to repurpose me. Mine will be definitely using it as, my cats will be using it as a cat box. And then also my card got full. But yeah, being both sides brings me joy. What else did I see that I liked on here? It says FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. I don't know, it's just those cute little things. So anyway, let's get into it. They have some things written up here too. Thanks for shopping. Have a nice day. Let's see here. We've got another one of these scratch things this time around. And then they have the digital, what I'm assuming is the digital magazine. So anyway, I just finished work, so my cats are like, pay attention to us, pay attention. But anyway, the first thing here, I did select all my products, but it's been so long that I've kind of forgotten. But this is the Swig Life cold 9 hours, hot 3 hours, stainless steel stemless cup, 12 ounces. You can register your cup, I guess. Receive a thank you gift. So let's see what it looks like. Yes, really pretty rose gold. Yeah, I think this will be great. I was thinking for the beach on my family vacation, guess not specifically the beach, but my family vacation at the end of July. This will be nice to have because it's hot and cold. So if I poured, an alcoholic beverage in here or something, it would stay cold. So I think that's my plan with this. Gotta remember that. Next, this box in particular was good for me to purchase they had a lot of beauty things, a lot of things I already have that might be stock ups or backups, so that was good. But this is the Briogeo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. I don't think I have this one, but I have a lot of things from Briogeo. I believe I have a few things from this line as well. So really excited about this. And that's expensive. Next, I have the Vacation Classic Lotion SPF 30. If I remember, there wasn't anything else that I really wanted from this pickings from this option. So it's an SPF, and I'm sure what I have from last year is kind of old, or maybe not expired, but maybe the SPF isn't, 100% up to date. So I don't really prefer a lotion-based SPF besides for my face, but not horrible to have. I can always give this to someone as well. The one thing I am really excited about, because this was a repurchase, or not a repurchase, but a backup for me, and I did actually just go through this. My own personal one is the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So really excited to have this. Put it back immediately in my shower. My cat is inspecting everything, trying to see if any of this is for her. But anyway, the next were these Savor and Joy square bowl sets. My boyfriend are actually hosting. I mean, he doesn't live here, but he's hosting at his place. So maybe these would be good for that, some dips and stuff. Or when I move into his place in August, we plan on having a housewarming party. So that would could be good for that time as well. So I'm already thinking of times when I can use this. So I really like how this was packaged. Nothing's broken. So yeah, just really well packaged. I'm really impressed with this box. But yeah, enjoy and savor again. I'm not thrilled over this, but if I had to pick something, this is what I picked based on what was in stock and what attracted me. These are, let's see, dishwasher safe, make it hot in microwave. Yeah, they are made in China. Ray Dunn Artisan Collection by Magenta, whatever that means. And then it looks like this is my last product, but it's just a nondescript white box. So lastly, now I remember I did get this pitcher. Again, I wasn't super a pitcher, and it looks like it does come with the glasses. So, I wasn't super head over heels about this. It is Kate Spade. It was the best option that they had. I wasn't super thrilled. Like I said, the beauty products seemed to be the best from these options, at least the things that were in stock when I picked. And I picked on the first day I was able to, I think first or second if I remember correctly. But you know, maybe I'll take this for hosting, like I said, those few things that I have coming up. I know my boyfriend doesn't have that many plates, so I don't know about his cup situation. So this could be good. Anyways, that is my box. Let me know what you got. I don't know if I do have an annual subscription, so I have a few more boxes coming my way, at least 2, I think. I may cancel at that point again. You never know, but that is what I got in my FabFitFun box for summer. Let me know your thoughts, and until next time, bye everyone. And so let's go through prices. The Kate Spade Lemon Pitcher set was $38.95. I definitely would not pay that. Maybe 30 tops. I didn't look at the cups yet, but maybe 30 tops. The Olaplex retails for $30. I have purchased that before, so that's definitely worth it for me. The Briogeo leave-in is $25. I've definitely have paid that for Briogeo products. The Swig Stemless Wine Cup is $25 or $24.95. So I think that's fine. I mean, I think maybe I'd prefer paying $20 for it, but it is good quality from what I can tell. The SPF is 18, and those bowls are 40. I would not pay 40 for these little teeny weeny things. Maybe I'd pay 20. But either way, I do think it's a good deal. Because, even with the Olaplex and the Briogeo together, even throwing the Swig, definitely with the Swig thrown in that, it's way over, what I paid, which was around $40 or whatever it may be, depending on, how you purchase yours, if it's the annual or the seasonal. But, not my favorite box, like I said, and I, was kind of skewed towards some of those home hosting and beauty products for me. But yeah, let me know your thoughts.